Alright, so we are in the part 2. I'll keep it short and concise as possible. Okay, so we moved our FM WhatsApp sticker folder right to the internal storage. I'm highlighting it. That's it. Once again, in your case, it might be named WhatsApp sticker or whatever. That's the folder I'm talking about. So open it. This time around, we are opening that folder. In my case, I have about 560 stickers. That's a lot of stickers. Probably in your case, you might have much more stickers than me. But then the idea is to click on the first icon, just press a node on it, and then click on the arrow down icon over here, and then click on alternate. Once you click on the alternate, it highlights alternative image to the first one. Now click on the third icon here. Click on the third icon, the cat icon. Once you click the cat icon, swipe to the right again, and then it automatically creates an internal storage folder. Once you are there, click on the add icon over here to create a folder. Okay, you are going to name this folder as FM WhatsApp stickers 1 or whatever you like. Okay, so I've created my FM WhatsApp sticker. Now you click on the clipboard icon, the first icon here again, and then click on the not started. It automatically pastes everything you cut from the FM WhatsApp stickers. Now I think I have about 280 files here. That's not the minimum 30. We are trying to get just 30 stickers in a folder. I hope you are getting the idea. So once again, you just click on the first icon again, and then alternate cut. Create a new folder. You name it whatever folder of your choice you like. I'm naming it FM WhatsApp stickers 2. Open it and then paste. Once again, it pastes all the stickers in the application. 140 files moved. Once again, we need just 30. So if you like, you can keep proceeding till you reach just 30 files in a folder, in a sticker folder, or you can just stop here and then move to your personal sticker application. It loads sticker 1, sticker 2, and then FM WhatsApp stickers, and then sticker 4. So if you manage to read the 30 stickers per folder with the method that I've taught you right now, you can be able to bypass the 30 stickers limitation. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Just click out to WhatsApp, select your appropriate or destination WhatsApp. Once again, it adds to the WhatsApp, and then you keep on repeating the process. Well, so that's basically everything you need to know about how to save stickers with just one click. Well, it was a lot of clicks, but then I hope you understand and enjoy the video. Well, if you did so, please don't forget to hit the subscribe and like button below. I'll be sharing more of this interesting stuff, so please do your best possible to hit the subscribe button. Also, if you like my wallpaper, I'll leave a link to the wallpaper and other customization stuff from a friend who created a channel. I'll leave his link below so that you join the channel and then enjoy more of this cool stuff. Alright, so tata, see ya later.